Naka jingmi ki Jingkynthoh ki balong kum ki jingalam baklayo pajba unong mi khmat ka nongkrem constituency uba Ardent mila besayo moj ubalong ru president rangba jangka Voice of the People Party VPP ulam mi shakhmat ban kren AA halor kani. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka khatnyo tarik unai wing araja arpusan uba Ardent ulaong baula syak ken ba uyalam bakla da ka bapen pau baki Jingkynthoh kinomla ban Pynduh we ka Mynsiem ban yakun na ka Bynta kari bat ka Jaitbynriew. Nalor kata ulaong ru bagi pajba kini ban yang scam ban Ïaleh iki borbam man ki bertemu ban yalam bakla ya ki pajba.
Hate me, call me whoever you want to call, I don't care. As long as I follow God's principle and doctrines, when it comes to protecting the rights of my people, defending my land which is a God-given right, preserving our culture, the love for fellow human beings, I know I have been wrongly portrayed and misrepresented by those who are against this belief and principle, who are too afraid to see that this ideology will one day become an ideological power. When I try to correct the wrong, when I try to teach the people about their rights, when I try to uncover the hidden agendas of those vested interest people who have been exploiting and manipulating the minds of the innocent all the while, I was instead branded as a holier than thou person, which I am not. Let me tell you in a very categorical term that nothing can stop me. All these allegations, insinuations will not be able to reduce the fire within me to fight for the cause of my people and my state. As citizens, we need to be enlightened that this is not the first time in the history of mankind where there are people or groups of people who distort facts, manufacture false narrative to mislead the people in order to protect their interest. I would therefore call upon all the right-thinking people to join us in our fight against these evil forces. Because what we are fighting today is between good versus evil. I will continue to fight with full conviction till the goal is reached, unless the people reject it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya